We're on our way to Zion. We are currently parked at a supercharger in St. George, Utah, waiting for our car to hit 90% charge. So we have some leeway for when we get to Verkin. We're staying at a place called The Dwellings, which is this really cool new spot in a town called Verkin, Utah, which is about 20 minutes outside of Zion National Park entrance. It's got really great views from what I've seen in the pictures. Can't wait to show you all the views. We got our little Ellie here. Hey, say hi, Ellie. She's gonna be going on a little adventure with us and gonna go hiking and hopefully stand up paddleboard and river tubing this weekend. Sorry about that noise. That's my video game playing in the background. Playing some Fallout Shelter while I wait for the car to charge completely. So yeah, I can't wait for this weekend. It'll be fun. See you all later. So, guys, we thought we lost our GoPro. She thought she lost our GoPro.
While we were tubing.
But apparently we have a oh, you won't see it obviously, broken
Cracked
cracked screen issue.
The back part.
Good thing I was noble enough to pay for the
You had no choice.
GoPro subscription, so we're gonna get a new GoPro.
Yay!
Thank you, GoPro.
For $99.
Yeah, that was the catch. So it's not totally free.
But it's also not $500.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got our GoPro and we can shoot some more footage of our little Zion trip with Ellie Bolali. Ellie Bolali is gonna go to the daycare now while we go eat and go hike. Hi. Say bye-bye, Bolali.
Say bye, love.